Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Afterpay payment schedule. Afterpay is a popular payment service that allows customers to pay for their purchases in installments. To understand how Afterpay works, let's break down the payment schedule into simple steps. First, when you make a purchase using Afterpay, you will be required to pay a quarter of the total amount up front. This initial payment is due at the time of purchase. For example, if you buy an item for $100, you will pay $25 up front. Second, the remaining amount will be split into 3 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. Using the same example, the remaining $75 will be split into 3 payments of $25 each, due every 2 weeks. Third, Afterpay will send you reminders and notifications before each payment is due. To ensure you never miss a payment, you can also log in to your Afterpay account to view your payment schedule and make payments manually. Fourth, if you miss a payment, you will be charged a late fee. The late fee amount varies depending on the purchase amount, but it is typically a flat fee or a percentage of the installment amount. To avoid late fees, it's essential to make your payments on time. You can set up automatic payments or pay manually through the Afterpay website or mobile app. It's also crucial to review your payment schedule regularly and ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the installments. In conclusion, the Afterpay payment schedule is simple and easy to follow. By making your initial payment upfront and paying the remaining amount in installments every 2 weeks, you can enjoy the benefits of Afterpay while avoiding late fees and interest charges. Remember to always review your payment schedule and make timely payments to get the most out of Afterpay.